Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see anyone Instagram profile picture in full size. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then tap on this search magnifying glass and click on search bar and search for anyone, any random person you want to see the profile. Like in my case, I want to search for Cristiano Ronaldo like this. Now what you have to do is you have to copy this profile URL link. So tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and click on this copy profile URL. And you can see that so link is copied. Now what you have to do is get out from Instagram and go for any browser. In my case, I'm going for Google Chrome. And now here you have to search for instagramfollowers.com profile. So click on it and now you have to tap on this first link. Just click to open it, and when it's open you can see that it's saying Instagram username. You have to paste the profile link. After pasting, just click on this check button. Now it will show you something like this. Tap on this I am not a robot. It will take a moment to load up and you can see that the profile is loaded now. So now you can download it also. Just tap and hold on it and tap on this download image and your image will be downloaded in your mobile. So that's how you can see anyone Instagram profile picture in full size, and also you can download it. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.